country makes you feel nostalgic. Not only you miss your loved ones, but also the food. So now, to cure the cravings, I experimented with one of the most famous Filipino dishes called Sisig. So let's start. So you need your tofu cut into cubes, you need your olive oil spread, you need your soy sauce, you need your salt and pepper, you need your onion, garlic, your red bell pepper, your peanut oil, and the light cream. You have to fry your tofu until golden brown. And once that is done, you have to set it aside. Now, add some olive oil spread and add your onion, garlic, and your red bell peppers and saute it. Then add your tofu. Add your light cream. And mix it. Add your soy sauce, salt and pepper, and garnish it with your spring onions. And you're done. You can now serve your Filipino sisig.